નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી welcomes you all here.
Dear student friends, let's move ahead in supplementary lesson number 4, a question of trust from page number 22. It was a quiet, kindly voice. He got sneezing actually, and he was at the ground floor, and from the top floor she listened, someone, she. And she came down, she told, if you are serious with your business means robbery, then you should consult a doctor. This was the advice from that lady. And then afterwards what happened? It was a quiet, kindly voice. Voice was so sweet, kind, gentle voice, but one with the firmness in it. Firmness, total resolution, total determination is there. You should. It means there was a domination over the instruction, and that was to the robber. A woman was standing in the doorway. Now you will see the picture, what is given there on page number 22. And Sherry dog was rubbing against her. She was so young, not old one, young one. She was quite pretty, so beautiful, and was dressed in red. She was dressed with the red colored dress. She walked to the fireplace. You see, fireplace is also given there in the picture. Fireplace is also there. She walked towards that and straightened the ornaments there, kept her ornaments there, and she was standing in front of him. And though the sound was gentle, but firmness was there in her sound. She was so beautiful. She was young. And she instructed loudly, means she is the honor of that house. And she told that I was on top floor, and from there only I listened your sneezing. It means what? You should be very careful if you want to be in this your business. Robbery को पकड़ी अंदर नाखी जैसे भाई, ध्यान रखे. Down, Sherry, she said. Down, Sherry. Come down, Sherry, to the dog. She said, anyone would think I would be away for a month. Someone will think I am away from 1 month, so that this is the right time, perfect time to rob this house. She smiled at Horace. And went on. However, I came back just in time. You are about to steal something. You are about to rob something. At that time only I am here in front of you. This is the right time. And in time only I am in front of you. Though I did not expect to meet a burglar in such a way. A robber in such a way. મને ખબર નહોતી કે હું ઘરની અંદર જઈશ અને ત્યાં સુધીમાં તો એક ચોરનો મને બેટો થઈ જશે. But somehow I am here in front of you in a right time, in time. that is confirmed. She nodded. I see what an inconvenience it is for you to meet me. Inconvenience જ હોય ને ભાઈ. માલિક સામે હોય ને આપણે ચોરી કરવા જાય તો શું થાય? Inconvenience, confirm. What are you going to do? Huh? What are you going to do? Robbery or anything else? Boris said, my first thought was to run. હવે કઈ ન કરાય. ભાગો, ભાગને દો. My first idea is to run from here. You could do that, of course, she told. You could do it. If I have not seen you. મેં તને જોયો નથી. It's okay, you can move. Nothing is wrong with that. But I have seen you. I have judged you. Now you cannot move from here. That is confirmed. But I would telephone the police and tell them all about you, what you have done, how I caught you. And they would get you at once. They would get you at once. Means all the police or police department would arrest you at once at a time. આ બાજુ આવ્યા નથી, ના બાજુ પકડો નથી, ધ્યાન રાખજો. Now this is confirmed. Because the owner of the house has seen Horace Darnley. Bas, baat khatam. Now you cannot escape from here. That is also confirmed. Horace said, of course I would cut the telephone wires first and then afterwards only I will move. અત્યારે CCTV camera wires. At that time, telephone wires. He hesitated, a smile on his face. I would make sure that you could do nothing for some time. A few hours would be enough for that. Police આવીને arrest કરી લેશે. This is very simple. Very easy. And you cannot do anything else. She looked at him seriously. You would hurt me. You would hurt me? Horace paused and then said, I think I was trying to frighten you when you said that. I will make any kind of argument in front of you so that you will be little bit hesitated. You will be fearful. यानी हमें वायरिंग कापी ना के देनी हाथ में कोई पण वस्तु है આપણને મારી દે. This is also possible. Horace suggested, it would be nice if you would forget you have seen me, you saw me. જવા દો, તમે મને જોઈ લીધો છે, એ વાત જ ભૂલી જાઓ. પૂરું. Nothing is required there. Let me go now. Okay. Tata. In this way you cannot go. The voice was suddenly sharp. Hey. Why should I forgive and forget you, huh? Why should I? Earlier, firm voice, gentle voice. Now the voice has become sharp. You were going to rob me, and then afterwards also I have to allow you, I have to forgive you, I have to forget you. Why? If I let you, you will only rob someone else. I will let you, okay. Then there will be the turn of someone. There you will go and there you will rob him or her. It means in my place someone other's turn will come for you. It means you are going to harm the society. Then why should I forgive and forget you? This is not the way. Society must be protected from the men like you. તારા જેવા માણસો હોય ને એનાથી સોસાયટીને પ્રોટેક્ટ કરવી જોઈએ. સલાહ ભાગે છે ક્યાં? ચાલ 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 એમ ભાગવાનું નામ લેવાય. Horace smiled. I'm not a man who threatens society. I'm not going to threaten society, or I'm not going to harm society. I steal only from those who have a lot of money. ગમે એના પૈસા નથી લેતો. રૂપિયાવાળા હોય ને એને જ લઈને ભાગી જાઉં છું. પણ તું ભાગી જાય છે, that is confirm or not? You are going to harm upper class of the society. That is correct or wrong? Then why should I leave you? શું કામ છોડી દઉં તને ભાઈ? હે? I steal for a very good reason. મારે બુક જોતી હોય, વાંચવી હોય તો હું શું કરું? If it is so costly, I have to manage this. And I hate the thought of prison. પાંજરે પુરાવો આપણને ગમતું નથી. She laughed and she begged, thinking that he had convinced. He tried to persuade her. It was not possible, not at all possible for him to convince her, to persuade her his own idea. Ja, back. Look, I have no right to ask you for anything. Why you are going for robbery? I should not ask you. But I am desperate. I have lost the hope. આવા માણસોની યાર કોણ યાર ચાજી લાંબી વાત કરે યાર. Let me go, and I promise never to do this kind of thing again. I promise you I will not go for robbery. He says to her. આવા માણસોની યાર કોણ વાત કરે? જવા દે ને યાર, તને હું આમાં ખબર પડે. She. He speaks to she. I really mean it that if you will go, let me go, I will not go to rob anyone else further this. મને અહીંથી જવા દો બસ. Then I will not come back again. I will not do this again. But the thing is what? You have to forgive and forget. Bas. This is the fact. Then afterwards, what happened? That we will come to know little later. Just before that, if you like to write anything else, you can write it. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.